Welcome back, friends. For the first time we have a unique opportunity thanks to our friend Jurgen, and we're going to hear the sound of Tesla Berlin construction. For the first time, this is how Tesla Berlin sounds when people work there and construct the next Gigafactory, for Tesla's first European Gigafactory. Let's listen to it. So as you heard the sound, you can see that Tesla is building the crane, the first tower crane, and we see the type of foundation that they're building. I don't know exactly what type of foundation this is. Those of you who are in construction business can see, maybe you can tell us what foundation is this. And the first crane, tower crane, was being raised today in Tesla Giga Berlin, as we have seen them. These tower cranes are used for heavy concrete and steel work, to raise concrete and steel work, and I think it may be built on a rail to drive it along the rows of the foundation. What do you think? I'm not a construction expert, but this is what I feel, and looks like that. And do you know what type of exactly foundation is this that Tesla is working? Let us know, friends. And again, thank you, Jurgen, for sharing this video, for helping us to understand the real sound of Tesla Giga Berlin. And it's like you are there, except instead of having the music as a background, it's like you are there and you can see how it sounds. Okay, friends, let's listen it one more time. In the meantime, this is Armen Haryan from torquenews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe, because this is a developing story. Torque News brings you Giga Berlin's construction upgrade every day, thanks to our local friends from Grunhede, where Tesla is building its first European Gigafactory, and we expect the first Model Y electric crossover to roll off the assembly line next year, sometimes in July of 2021, as Tesla will probably start producing 500,000 electric cars in Germany for the European markets. Again, let's listen it one more time, and I'll see you in our next report. Have a blessed day, everyone.